Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss about an option that restricts the rate modification in billing. To enable this option, go to the Logic folder and run Logic admin. Open Global Settings and navigate to Sales Settings 2. Here, you will find an option labeled Do Not Allow Rate Modification in Sale Bill. Tick this option to enable it and save the settings. The same option is available in Sale Bill configuration, but it is required to be set individually for each series. Using Logic Admin Global Settings, this option can be implemented across all series and branches in one go. Don't forget to restart the software. Now, let's create a new voucher to see the effect of the enabled option. As soon as you attempt to modify the rate, the software will restrict it. Manual entry of rates will not be permitted, only the rate specified in the lot will be applied.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.